Layla's first feeding. Layla, look. Oh, she's getting fussy. Wow. She doesn't know. Wow, good. Oh my God, that's the mess. No, that's what there's bits for. Crap. You need a napkin.
Eat it.
She doesn't like it.
It's
Just
apple.
spit it
No,
out.
she's new to the whole swallowy.
You gotta catch it with a spoon.
I know. I didn't catch that one. Here, I'll catch it now.
Ew.
It's okay. Here, you can chew on the spoon. It's good for your gums. Oh my God, I thought she could finish this. I guess not. Well, this is a second.
Yum.
What happened?
She made that face.
Some more?
Here, she'll make it again. Eat, Layla. Watch.
Oh, little by little. Here, taste. She's just tasting. Just like that. Is this sour? Here, you want to hold the spoon? Oh, good girl.
Yay.
Oh, whoa. Let me taste it. Isn't that bad?
Well, if you have
No.
strawberries.
It's apple, strawberry, banana. It's just kind of tart.
Yeah.